Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share my story, my journey into SEO. So about 10 years ago, I was trying to grow this small business. And I just, I don't even remember which blogs it was, but I think I found a couple of blogs back then. We're talking about 10 years ago. So the instruction out there was not as sophisticated as it is now, but I started looking into growing SEO for a small business that I had in the trucking industry. And sure enough, eventually I got clients from even Washington, and I lived in Florida. So that was pretty exciting. And then I started selling uh, memberships for legal memberships as an add-on to what I was doing for my clients. And and again, I applied the SEO things that I learned. And mind you, 10 years ago it was as simple as just getting directory links and anything would rank, because Google was really, really a baby. There was no such thing as what it is now. And I just started working on that. And then when it came time for my ex-husband and I to part ways, I truly needed to step up my game and converted the legal shield calls that I was getting into divorce preparation clients, and the rest is history. Then I actually had enough clients to have a brick and mortar business in Miami. And when my new husband and I moved to Tampa, we're now separated too. It's a long story. It's a different channel. I'm single now, but my second husband, we came to Tampa, and then I decided to just do it remote, and l- actually joined an academy that's no longer around. It was Source Academy, and with Alex Becker and Gregory Ortiz and other teachers. And so I joined that academy and started truly getting into what backlinking, was much more than the the directory linking that I was familiar with. And the reason between all of that, something very critical happened, and it's that I hired someone from Upwork, and whatever the name was back then. I don't think it was Upwork. I think it was another name. But I hired someone, and I specifically told him, because I knew enough to know not black hat and not crappy stuff. And I told him, this is the legal field. This is very delicate. The links need to be good. They can't be crap. And no, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. But this guy, what he did is that he started spamming websites, attorney websites, and got us in deep doo doo. We got investigated, we were cleared, but it was like a red. At that moment, I freaked out, and I said, I'm never going to hire anyone else again to do this for me. I am going to learn how to do it the right way. So when I sold my business in Miami, moved to Tampa, I got a regular job, and they gave me the opportunity to actually have time every day to learn something on the computer, and I joined SourceWave. And that's when I understood the how to get backlinks through private blog network, how to acquire the sites, how to keep them safe, how to diversify the links profile, how to analyze traffic and all those things. And I am forever grateful, and that completely changed my life. I ranked a divorce preparation website in Florida, which right now is still making me money, even though I'm not accepting new clients. But it's still making me money because now I sell those leads for to other preparers, document preparers in the industry. And so it's been truly a blessing. And now that I'm doing SEO full time, it's a completely different lifestyle. I work from home, blah blah blah. I'm able to help other small businesses out there in different industries, not just the legal field. But it's been truly changed. I mean, I'm here living, the life in Tampa because of SEO. I'm so grateful for all the skills that I learned. And this is why I have this YouTube channel, because I want you guys to learn as much as possible. even if it's for your own business or if it's to help another business in your journey to have more revenue and more clients. So yeah, so this is my story. This is how it's been 10 years in the making, and I am just super super grateful. And the opportunities are endless out there for SEO. And I'll make another video explaining the different types that, it's not just clients that you can do, not just websites. There's a lot of different uses for the skill set for SEO. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Please subscribe, like videos, comments. I will be looking at everything, anything you'd like me to teach you about. I'll be happy to make a video on it. And I really thank you for giving me space to be in your life today. Thank you. Yuki, my dog.